Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a zoomed-in screen on Windows 11. If your screen looks too big, icons are huge, text is oversized, or everything feels zoomed in, don't worry. This usually happens because of display scaling, screen resolution, or the Magnifier tool. I'll explain everything step by step in very simple language. You don't need any technical knowledge. Let's get started. First, let's check the quickest fix, which works in most cases. Step 1. Check if Magnifier is turned on. Sometimes the screen is zoomed in because Windows Magnifier is enabled by mistake. On your keyboard, press Windows key and Escape key together. That's Windows plus Escape. If the screen instantly goes back to normal size, that means Magnifier was turned on, and now it's fixed. If nothing changes, don't worry. Let's move to the next method. Step 2. Fix display scaling settings. Now we'll adjust the display size properly. Right-click anywhere on an empty area of your desktop. From the menu, click on Display Settings. A new window will open. Here, look for an option called Scale. You'll see a percentage like 125%, 150%, or even 175%. If the screen looks too zoomed in, this value is usually too high. Click on the drop-down menu and select 100%, which is recommended for most screens. As soon as you select it, your screen should look normal again. If Windows asks you to sign out and sign back in, just follow the instructions. Step 3. Fix screen resolution. If scaling didn't fully fix the issue, the problem could be screen resolution. In the same display settings, scroll down a little. Look for Display Resolution. Click on the drop-down menu. Now, select the option that says Recommended next to it. This is the best resolution for your screen. Once selected, Windows may ask you to keep the changes. Click Keep Changes. Your screen should now be perfectly adjusted. Step 4. Fix zoom inside apps or browser. Sometimes the desktop looks fine, but apps or browser appear zoomed in. If this happens in a browser like Chrome or Edge, press Ctrl and 0 on your keyboard. This resets the zoom level back to normal. You can also press Ctrl and minus key to zoom out slowly. Step 5. Check graphics settings. Optional but helpful. If your screen still feels off, let's do one last check. Right-click on the desktop again and open Display Settings. Scroll down and click on Advanced Display. Here, make sure your refresh rate and resolution look normal. You usually don't need to change anything here, but it's good to confirm. And that's it. These steps fix almost all zoomed-in screen issues on Windows 11. Quick recap. Press Windows and Escape to turn off Magnifier. Set Scale to 100%. Choose Recommended Screen Resolution. Reset Zoom inside apps using Ctrl+0. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.